So we're making a volcano explosion. So we need a little bit of baking soda. Yeah, so a little bit of baking soda. Where's the bakes? Alright, that's good. And we do a little bit of vinegar. And it should explode.
Whoa! That's enough. That is pretty cool, Papa.
Yeah.
A huge explosion, huh?
Yeah.
Do you know how to explain why this happened?
When the baking soda and the vinegar combine, it makes like a chemical reaction. So
That's really cool, Papa.
yeah.
All right.
And it turned a little red because I did this before with the same volcano.
I see. All right, good job. That's exciting.